Hi, welcome to today's Excel tip. We've typed a couple of stuff, or we've created a layout using cells. Now we want to convert these cells or this whole range into a table. What we do is we click anywhere within the table, any cell, go into the Insert tab and click on Table. And the shortcut for that was Control T. Our table has headers, so we'll keep the checkbox active. When we click on OK, the table changes. The range changes into a table. And you can see in the Design tab, it has picked the medium 2 design. You can change designs. As you see, as I hover over designs, the designs change. So let's change the design to black. This is black design. So that's how to change table styles. Now within our table, we'd want to create rows at the bottom that total up values. So in the Design tab, we go to the Total Row checkbox. We'll click on it. And the shortcut is Control-Shift-T. So we have a total section of all the amounts. We can change what displays in the total row with the drop down that appears when you click on the total amount. When I click that drop down, I see I can check the count, the number of items. I can go to sum to check the sum, which was by default. I can even check stuff like variation or the maximum amount. So that will require me to change the text here to say max, which is the maximum amount that I'm displaying, or the minimum amount or the average amount. So these are different ways in which tables can be manipulated, and it's dynamic. The last thing I'd like to show you is if you ever want to convert your table back. So here I'm going to remove the total row. If you ever want to convert your table back into a range, in the Design tab, go to Convert to Range. And that will say, do you want to convert your table to a normal range? And say yes. Now our table has been converted to a normal range. And here we can see the normal formatting tools now do apply. We're back to our normal table again. Try all these out and let us know how it goes. Thanks.